NEET 2018 Set HH question number 2. A metallic rod of mass per unit length 0.5 kg per meter is lying horizontally on a smooth inclined plane which makes an angle of 30 degrees with the horizontal. The rod is not allowed to slide down by flowing current through it when a magnetic field of induction 0.5 K is acting on it in the vertical direction. The current flowing in the rod to keep it stationary is, so we have ILB cos theta is equal to mg sin theta, which gives us I is equal to mg upon b, and since sin upon cos gives us tan, so we have tan theta. Now m by L is the mass per unit length, which is given in the question as 0.5. The value of G is 9.8 and the value of B is 0.25 into tan of 30 degrees, which is 1 by root 3. So on calculation we get 11.3 amperes. Therefore, option number 3 is the correct.